So I've got a package. Okay, I'm sorry about the lighting conditions. I actually had to open up the door because the power went out. So let's see what that's my address. If you guys can see it, let's see what is in the package. It just came from DTDC, so I don't know exactly what is in it. Just go ahead and open the box. I think okay, that's sealed over there. Sorry if the video shakes. I'm kind of jerry rigging it, so yeah, kind of doing stuff, what do you call in India as jugaad, or just DIY kind of shit. So I've got a DIY phone mount. Oh, there's more packing. That's packing. Okay, that is one way to pack. They just seal the entire freaking in a freaking piece of cardboard. Holy crap. The guy who did this has some sense of something. Damn it. Always, kids, when you use a sharp knife, don't cut towards yourself. If I do it, just look away. If I'm gonna cut to myself, okay, because DIY, and I need to support with my freaking legs. So yeah, kids, don't do this because it's dangerous, because you might just cut yourself. So just don't do that. If I slit this blade, I'm gonna hit my leg. So yeah, kids, don't do that. I'm doing it because I'm a professional idiot. So yeah, I'm a professional idiot. I'm very well trained in idiocies. So just because I do it, don't do it. Oh, okay, there's a cut over here. Let's cut across the cut. Is that a cut? Yeah. Oh, okay. Wow, that came out pretty fast. Holy crap, this guy has done some wonderful working with packing. Oh my god. Holy crap. Oh, okay, what is this? Ta-da! Finally got rid of the packaging. Damn, the guy who was... What is this? Oh, that's a bill. I don't want to show you the bill. I want to show you the product. What have I got here? Can you guys see that? It says G.Skills. It says 16 GB kit. 2 of them. So 2 into 16 GB equals 32 gigs of RAM. So my camera stopped recording for apparently no reason. So Moto X Play decided to stop recording just cause it can. So over here we've got 32 gigs of RAM. That's 8 into 4 gigs. So I'm putting a dual channel memory, 4 slots, 2 pairs of 16 GB each. So this is 1600 megahertz or 1600 megahertz as it's known in the industry of RAM. It's a DDR3. I didn't go for the DDR4 because my processor won't support DDR4. So this is going to be the first upgrade to my system in 3 years. So yeah, guys, you could see a system upgrade video soon. So yeah, guys, thanks for watching. Do leave a thumbs up if you like this video. If you don't like this video, you know what to do, and do comment in the if you have any questions or queries on the PC I'm building or whatever. I will be replying to you as soon as I see the message and as soon as I can reply to the message. So guys, yeah, thanks for watching. Bye bye, take care.